Hi guys, this is Aarti. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to first impression video on this newly launched Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Yes, this is not a newly launched, it is newly launched in India. Of course, it has launched previously in US and other countries. This is a very famous highlighter in the US. It is finally launched in India. I thought let's try this and let's test whether this is worth the buy or not. This is how it looks like. It comes in this plastic container. The packaging looks really sturdy. I really like the packaging and how it feels. And this is in the shade 100, a Molten Gold. This comes only in one shade, Molten Gold, and it is very a rich golden shade, which I think it will suit a lot of skin tone. This one retail for 550 rupees for 6 gram of product. I think that's quite reasonable. Backside of the packaging, you get ingredient list, and they've also claimed that this is a metallic luminous effect highlighter. So you will not get subtle glow. It seems you will get a metallic glow. That's what they have claimed. They don't come in carton box or anything that sort. They just come just like that, and it is sealed over here. And one more thing is that in the seal, it has written Molten Gold, the shade name. And backside also they have written it. So once if we peel the seal off, you will not left with no name. Of course, you have the name backside. Wait.
Where I should open it? I don't know how to open this. Seriously.
Okay, this is the back. Okay, this is the front.
Oh dear God, I'm not able to open this. Oh shit.
Yeah, there you go. I said right, I really like the packaging. Now I just take a step back. I really love how it feels on my hand, but clearly not the opening part, because in emergency if you want to open, you have to hold the product from the side and you have to open like this, because there is no grip to open. There is no mirror in this packaging. It's beautiful. The pattern is so beautiful. Oh my god, you guys, this is going to be a blinding highlight. Can you see how pigmented that is? It does not feel dry when I touch. I know sometimes if you touch your product, it'll be feeling very dry. Oh my god, I didn't even swipe. I just touched this. Can you see how pigment it takes? Alright you guys, I don't have anything else to say about the packaging or about the details. I think I have said everything, and I'll be using two different brushes. One is this blending brush, which is kind of dense, and this is a fan brush, which is kind of fluffy at the same time, not so dense. I'm just going to use these two brushes, and I'm just gonna see how my highlighter gets distributed on my cheeks evenly. Let's dive into the demo. So I'm just gonna sweep it. I've just taken only one coat. Let's see. Let's apply on this side of my face using this brush. Just gives subtle highlight, you guys. Yes, it also gives you the subtle highlight if you take very slightly. I'm just gonna dip it. You can see there are a lot of product. I'm just gonna apply this. This is blinding. Can you see? It is so blinding. Oh my god. I do have some negatives to speak about, but before going into that, let's apply on this side. Glow. Can you see the glow? I'm just going to wear this highlighter for some more time, and then I'm just going to give my opinion finally. So guys, I am here to give my final thoughts about this. If you're wondering, I changed my lip color because I was filming another video. So my thoughts about this highlighter, the Maybelline Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter, is that it is a very beautiful metallic bam highlighter. Of course, it is not a subtle highlighter or a highlighter that you expect to give a glow from within. It's not that kind. It is definitely a very blinding highlighter. It do have that little bit of shimmer particles in them, but not exactly glitter. It's visible. If you take your mirror very close to your face, then you can definitely see that shimmer particles, to be honest. And while applying, you have to be very careful because it tends to spread all over your face, and especially under eyes. Having a highlighter under eyes is no. So always be very careful. Little goes a long way. Apply gently, little by little, and then you can achieve that highlighter. Always tap off the excess. That way, I think you can prevent that highlighter going all over the place. And finish is so beautiful. I really love it. It is so metallic, and I think it will suit all skin tones because it's a standard gold. It is not yellow gold. It's not a very bronzy gold. It will suit many skin tones. It enhances textures, you guys. I mean, it won't enhance if you have tiny textures on your face, but if you have got a lot of textures, then it will definitely enhance. All the highlighters does, but this will enhance a little bit more. And it is definitely not my favorite to apply it on my center points of my face. I really like it on my cheekbones, but not on my center parts of my face, just because I said before that it has shimmer. It feels like I have shimmer all over my face if I apply it on the center parts. So I'll definitely avoid applying this highlighter on my center parts. If I like it on my nose, so I found a trick that after applying the highlighter, I just blend it using my fingers, so it just looks very seamless and nice. Overall, this product I would like to give 4.5 out of 5 because it is a very good product, you guys, from House of Maybelline. I think this highlighter is such a pretty highlighter for the price, and for the shade it is good, except for the shimmer part I reduced 0.5. Other than that, I really like the way it just feels on my skin. With this, I complete this first impression / review video. I hope you all found this useful. If you really did, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.